We'll guide you through how to use Scary ChatGPT to create eerie and spine-chilling conversations. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Scary ChatGPT website. Once you're there, sign in with your account or create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the Create New Chat button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will bring up a new chat window where you can start crafting your spooky dialogue. In the chat window, you have the option to choose different modes or themes to suit your scare level. Click on Mode at the top of the chat window and select Scary Mode to activate the eerie features. This mode will use a horror-themed language model, enhancing the fright factor. Next, in the input box, type your initial message or prompt. For example, you can start with something like, "Tell me a ghost story," or "Describe a haunted house." Hit Enter and let Scary ChatGPT work its magic. As you continue the conversation, keep typing in your questions or prompts to guide the narrative. Feel free to experiment with different prompts to explore various chilling scenarios. If you want to save your conversation, look for the Save Chat option, which is often represented by a floppy disk icon. Click on it, and your creepy chat will be saved for later. Remember, Scary ChatGPT is designed to provide a thrilling experience, so be prepared for some goosebumps. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.